We have all lived through the nightmare of an unstructured group project. You can take a room full of highly talented, capable people, give them a deadline, and still watch the entire thing collapse under the weight of overlapping work and miscommunication. That happens because putting a group of smart individuals into a room does not automatically create a functioning team. A true organization requires a specific environment, people working together in a structured, coordinated fashion to achieve a set of goals. To see exactly how this works, imagine you are tasked with opening a brand new fast casual restaurant. For this restaurant to survive its first year, you have to hit two targets simultaneously. You have to be efficient, which means minimizing food waste to keep your operating costs low, but you also have to be effective, which involves serving a menu that customers actually want to buy. The bridge between a chaotic group of individuals and a structured, profitable restaurant is built through the active intervention of management. Let's apply this to our restaurant. Before a single ingredient is purchased, top-level managers use conceptual skills during the planning phase to define the long-term theme and the specific target audience. Moving to the organizing phase, middle managers take those broad concepts and physically group the resources. They map out the kitchen blueprint, placing prep stations and equipment in a grid that prevents bottlenecks during a rush. When opening week arrives, the pressure spikes. During the leading phase, frontline managers rely on interpersonal communication skills to keep a stressed staff focused and motivated through the intense dinner rush. And when the doors finally close for the night, managers exercise their diagnostic skills for the controlling phase. They monitor daily profits, read through online reviews, identify exactly where wait times dragged. Controlling also acts as a feedback mechanism. If wait times are too long, the data forces the manager to return to the planning phase to adjust the strategy for the following day. This cycle functions as a continuous loop, keeping the business responsive to the shifting realities of day-to-day operations. By following that cycle, the initial chaos is tamed. The restaurant opens on time, stays under budget, and the kitchen operates flawlessly in sync. That success is the result of every resource type: human labor, financial capital, physical equipment, and daily information being intentionally directed toward a specific outcome. Sustaining this level of performance demands constant, active engagement with every phase of the management process. By navigating the cycle of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, leaders across every level of an organization gain the specific structure needed to turn an abstract vision into a concrete reality.